In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add plugin or extension to Miro. If you've ever wanted to expand what your Miro boards can do, extensions, often called apps in Miro, are the way to go. I'll show you a clean, distraction-free path to install one right from inside a board, using an example called Super Search. We'll keep things simple, and along the way I'll call out a few tips so you know exactly what to expect. First, open your browser and go to Miro.com. From the dashboard, start a fresh workspace so we're all looking at the same layout. Choose Create New, then pick Board. Opening a new board is helpful because the app menu is available right from the canvas, and you can confirm the tool shows up as soon as it's added. If you're prompted to choose a team or project, just continue with the one where you want the extension to live. Inside the board, look for the plus icon that opens the app catalog. Depending on your layout, it may appear in the toolbar or near your tool picker. Click that plus icon to bring up the app search. In the search field, type Super Search. As you type, Miro will filter results, so double check the spelling and wait a moment for the catalog to load. When you see Super Search in the results, click it to open its details. This is where you can review what the app does and who built it before proceeding. To finish, click Allow. This grants the permissions the extension needs to work with your board. After allowing, the app is added to your workspace, and you should see it available from your toolbar or the app's menu. If it doesn't appear immediately, give the page a second to refresh the tools list. Keep in mind that some organizations restrict installations, so if you see a message about admin approval, you may need a workspace admin to enable it. Otherwise, you're ready to go. The Super Search extension is installed, and you can launch it from your board whenever you need it. And that's it. You went to Miro.com, created a new board, opened the app catalog with the plus icon, searched for Super Search, selected it, and clicked Allow to install. You can repeat this same process for other extensions to customize your boards for research, diagramming, content management, and more. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building a more powerful Miro workspace with the apps you need.